Hey guys, what's going on? Welcome back. So I wanted to do a review video on a prenatal vitamin I've been taking. It's Nature's Bounty Multivitamin Prenatal. Just be sure to check the video description for some more information on that. Um, so basically, when you're pregnant, the doctors recommend you start taking a prenatal vitamin. It has folate and stuff, which is great for the baby. So I was kind of looking into a few. I've tried a few here and there. I've tried the gummies. I'm really not a fan of the gummies. These are really good. I kind of try to stay away from stuff that's gelatin because I am vegetarian, and that's an animal product, but sometimes it's hard to find one that does not have that in there and that has all the ingredients that you need. But I've actually had success with this one. It doesn't make me sick. It doesn't have a bad taste or anything like that. So overall, I really like it for the most part. So this is Nature's Bounty. This brand has been around for a long time. It has 1,333 mcg of folate, which is great for the baby's development, supports baby's healthy growth and development, with 200 milligrams of DHA. And then it has 60 soft gels. You have one per day. So I would say it lasts about 2 months, this bottle. Inexpensive too. And then all the supplement facts are on the back. Vitamin A, vitamin C, which I've been taking vitamin C anyway just to boost my immune system. As you know, it's suppressed when you're pregnant. Vitamin D, vitamin E. And then I know it has some kind of, so contains soy and fish ingredients, anchovy and sardine, which I'm not in love with, but sometimes, like I said, it's hard to find one that does not have fish products that has all the ingredients that you need. So it doesn't, it's not like you're burping up fish oil like some brands might make you do. It doesn't taste like anything. They're just regular soft gels. They're very easy to swallow. Easier to swallow, I would say, than like the hard pills. The only thing was, I remember looking into it, I wanted to make sure that the mercury was removed from the fish oils. Now, they said that Nature's Bounty says that they remove they go through like a special process that removes the mercury and stuff like that. So I felt better after learning that. That is something that they do look out for if you guys are concerned about that. So nearly 50 years of trusted quality. Nature's Bounty has been around for that long. For use before, during, and after pregnancy. I used it after and while I was trying to get pregnant, and I got pregnant pretty easily, so I'd like to think that this helped with that. And then after pregnancy, continue using them, because if you're breastfeeding, or even if you're when you go through like that postpartum hair loss, which I lost a lot of hair after like 3 months, it started coming out. The vitamin really helped me with the hair loss. So when it was growing back, it started growing back quicker and stuff like that. It's a multivitamin and a multi-mineral, guaranteed quality and laboratory tested. And my doctor okayed these. And then this is always great. No artificial flavor, no artificial sweetener, no preservatives, no sugar, no starch, no milk, no lactose, no gluten, no wheat, no yeast, no shellfish, and sodium free. So that's great for people to know if they have any allergies or anything like that. Expiration dates on the side, and made in the USA. I know a lot of people try to buy products made here, made in the USA with select ingredients from around the world. Then it has the child safety lock on it. Push down and turn, close tightly to seal in the freshness. I'm going to show you guys what they look like. So they are on the large side, but like I said, they're a soft gel, so I think it's a little bit easier to swallow than, say, like one of the hard vitamin pills. And like I said, it doesn't have like a taste or anything like that. It has like a little bit of a scent, like it's a little potent, but nothing crazy. And I think I'm really smelling it now because I'm pregnant and can smell everything, and also because I have the top open. can see all the soft gels in there, neatly packed. And then of course, I like that it has the child safety on the top of it. So overall, really good. I would recommend if you're looking for a great prenatal vitamin, whether you're trying to get pregnant, you're pregnant already, after pregnancy. I thank you guys so much for taking the time to watch my video. I really hope you guys found it useful. If you did, please feel free to leave a comment and let me know. Thanks guys, and have a great day.